Hello, my friends. Welcome back to e-estate. So many people are asking this question: how much can I earn in e-estate? This question is a very important question, but the fact is, we do not have straight answer to this question. Why? Because you need to actually purchase your property, and purchasing your property is based on either you are purchasing it on the minimum or you are purchasing it more than the minimum. So that will now determine how much you will earn. Okay. Now, purchasing the property on the minimum depends on the property you are purchasing. The lowest to purchase property in e-estate is $10. Okay. And I know that most people are not joining e-estate with $10. So it's hard to tell you how much you will earn if you don't use the profit calculator in the back office to check. So that is why I have at the bottom here, use the profit calculator in the back office to check. This is the only way you will know how much you will earn. Now, the next question is, how can I locate the profit calculator in the back office? Let me show you how to do that. So when you're logging into your account, go to Buyer tab. Okay, click on Buyer tab and select where it says Real Estate. This page you are looking at just now will open. When this page opens, you will see Profit Calculator here. Okay, so this is the Profit Calculator, and you can see that it is default to the lowest amount you can invest or you can use to purchase a fractional real estate. Okay, and the profit calculator will tell you exactly how much you will earn here. Okay, now this is the minimum for this property. If you click into the apartment MIA, which is apartment Miami, you will see other properties here. Okay, for example, if you select the desert villa, the desert villa will tell you that the minimum to start is $1,000, and you will see your profit here underneath the profit calculator. Okay, so this is the minimum profit per day, profit per month, the total profit when you are going to break even. So every detail is in the back office under the profit calculator. So if you want to determine how much you will earn, come to your profit calculator. I just showed you how to do it. Go to Buyer tab. Okay, click on Buyer tab and select Real Estate. That will take you to your profit calculator. So right here, you will be able to use the profit calculator to check how much you will earn. Now, if you select Villa, this one, the minimum to start this one is $3,120. And the profit calculator will also tell you, automatically calculate how much you will be earning per day and how much per month when you are going to break even and the total profit. Now, these are the minimum. So either of these properties that you've selected under the profit calculator, you can add more than that. So let's start with the apartment Miami. For example, they said the minimum to get started purchasing a fraction of this property is $10. Let's say I don't want to do $10. Let's say I want to do $100. Add one more zero there, and you will see that the profit calculator have automatically calculated how much you're going to be earning in a month and how much you'll be getting in a day. So this is how to check how much you will earn. The answer to your question is not straightforward. Let me put it that way. Okay. So you cannot just tell somebody that you will be earning so amount of money, because I don't know what property you are going to be purchasing. And even though I know the property you are going to be purchasing, I don't know how much you are going to use to purchase a fraction of that property. So the easiest way to check how much you will earn is to use the profit calculator in the back office. The only people that have access to the profit calculator are the members of e-estate. If you are not a member of e-estate, registration in e-estate is free. So use the link below this video description, register for free, and then you will now have access to the profit calculator for you to use and check how much you will earn. based on the amount you are going to use to purchase a fraction of the properties that are in the back office. I hope this video helps you to learn how much you can earn in estate and how to locate the profit calculator that will enable you to check how much you will be able to earn in estate. On average, irrespective of the property you have chosen, we earn between 0.3% to 1% daily. So that is how to check the profit calculator, and from there you will check how much you can earn. Thank you guys. The link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.